Hey everyone, I'm Sanjay. Welcome to Cloud Data Solutions. Let's quickly understand the differences between a data lake and delta lake. A data lake. A data lake is like a big storage pool. It holds all kind of raw data like text, CSV, JSON, images or video files. It is very flexible, but it does not check the data quality or its structure. There is no schema enforcement guarantee in case of data lake, and it is slow in the case of if you are running queries on the data files which are stored in data lake. But data lake is best for storing your large amount of raw data, since it does not support schema enforcement and transaction guarantee. Hence things can get messy over a time in case of data lake if you are choosing. On the other hand, delta lake, it is a smarter version built on top of data lake. It adds feature like asset transaction, schema enforcement, time travel, and many other important features. So asset transaction means there is a guarantee of reliable concurrent read and write operations, meaning that if you have a job, it is running but it fails in between before completing the processing. In that case, either the data will get written completely or it will fully roll back. No partial read and write would happen. Optimized for fast Optimized for fast reads and writes. Yes, it is best for reliable analytics and machine learning pipelines. So, when to use data lake versus delta lake? You can use data lake when you need to store raw or unstructured data cheaply, and data is used occasionally for exploring or training purpose. You are not frequently accessing your data. In that case, data lake is right option for you to store your data. Schema or structure is not strictly required. You just need to store your data no matter what schema or the structure of those data types or those data files are. If you are not doing complex analytics or BI analysis, then yes, data lake is the right choice. On the other hand, use delta lake when you need reliable consistent read and write operations, or your data is used for production analytics or for the reporting purpose. You need schema enforcement and evaluation, or you are combining batch plus streaming for pipelines. For example, a scenario where you need to develop pipelines which will process some part of data in batch mode, and certain pipelines would be running on real time or near real time. In that case, delta lake is the right option for you. In short, if we cover it up, data lake is used for storing raw data, while delta lake is for managing and analyzing it efficiently. That's why most modern data platforms use delta lake on top of their data lake. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next topic.